Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer your cryptocurrency from Robinhood to Stake.us in 2025. With the crypto market evolving faster than ever, knowing how to move your assets securely is a game changer. Whether you're aiming to diversify your portfolio or take advantage of Stake.us's features, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Stake.us. If you haven't already, download the apps and verify your identities. It's crucial for security. Once that's done, open your Robinhood app and head to your portfolio. Find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and select it. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Robinhood has made this pretty user-friendly, but remember, not all cryptos are available for withdrawal, so double-check that first. You'll need to enter the wallet address from Stake.us. To get that, switch over to the Stake.us app, go to your wallet section, and copy the receiving address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Now, back in Robinhood, paste that address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to account for any network fees, which can vary based on the blockchain. Once everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. After initiating the transfer, it might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on network congestion in 2025. Head back to Stake.us and refresh your wallet to see when the funds arrive. Once it's there, you're all set. This process is straightforward, but always stay vigilant about security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your keys. There you have it, folks. Transferring crypto from Robinhood to Stake.us doesn't have to be intimidating. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy out there.